Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Asaan Math with lecturer Miss Bahullah. Today we are going to start a very interesting concept of mathematics, that is trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is actually the measurement of a triangle. So let's talk about this. Trigonometry, this is the combination of three words. The tri means three, gono means vertices, metry means measurement. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics concerned with relationship between angles and ratios of lengths. So in trigonometry we will deal with the ratios of sides and trigonometric ratios, angles in the future work and lectures inshallah. Okay, actually trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of triangles. Now what is triangle? Triangle is an enclosed shape with three angles and three sides. Now triangle may be like this and like this. We will talk about the types of triangle later on, and maybe like this. Any closed shape which has three sides and three angles is called triangle. Okay. Now components of a triangle, so you can see in a triangle there are two types of things, two types of components. The first one is angle and another is sides. Now it has three sides and three angles. Okay, so these are the two components, that is angle and side. Now based on these two types, means angle and side, a triangle has six types, so we will discuss it in the next slide. Now so these are the three angles, the yellow shape that you can see on the slide, and the three red line, that is the sides of a triangle. Okay, now what is angle? Angle is the shape made by the union of two lines or two sides of a triangle or two sides of any shape which form a union. This like this shape, this is called angle. And the side is the distance between two vertices of a figure. Okay, so these are the two components of a triangle. Now we will discuss types of triangle. Number first is based on angle. So based on angle there are three types of a triangle, and the first one is acute angle triangle. So an acute angle triangle is one in which all the angles or each angles of a triangle is less than 90 degree. For example, you can see in this figure. In this figures, all the angles are measured less than 90 degree. Obtuse angle triangle or obtuse angle triangle. So obtuse angle triangle is the triangle in which one angle is greater than 90 degree. For example, take this example. In this figure you can see that this angle is greater than equal to greater than 90 degree. So the other angles will be less than 90 degree. Why? Because we should note another important statement about triangle, that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So if one angle in this in a triangle is greater than 90 degrees, so definitely the other two angles will be less than 90 degree each. Okay, the third one is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle is a triangle in which one angle is exactly equal to 90 degree. Look at the figure, and this triangle, this angle is actually 90 degree. So this type of triangle is called 90 degree. The remaining two angles will be less than 90 degree. Okay, because the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now based on sides, according to sides, there are also three types of triangle. Okay, number first one is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is the triangle in which all the sides are equal. For example, take this one. These all the three sides of this triangle are equal in length. Now consequently we can say that the angles formed in this equilateral triangle will be also equal. Okay, so the and also this will be equal to 60 degree. Now you, if you take any type any size of a equilateral triangle in which all the sides are equal, it can be of any size. For example, you can 10 by 10 means a triangle which has all the side equal to 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So the angle will be formed 60 degree. If you take any other triangle in which every side of that triangle is 50 centimeter, so once again the angle will be there as 60 degree each. Okay, and these are the three angles are also equal in equilateral triangle. Okay, the second one is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle we will have only two sides equal. Okay, just look at the figure, and this figure, the two red line indicate the equal sides of this triangle, and the third one is different from this. So x unit and this is y unit. So this type of triangle will be called isosceles triangle. So any triangle in which two sides are equal in length is called isosceles triangle. The third one is different, and consequently now the opposite side of the equal opposite angles to the equal sides will be equal. Okay, so this angle alpha and this angle alpha will be equal, also equal, because this angle is opposite to this side and this angle is opposite to this side. So these two angle will be also equal. So in isosceles triangle two sides are equal in length, and also the corresponding angles which is opposite to the equal sides are also equal, and the third one is different. Now the third one is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle is a triangle in which all the sides are different. Okay, and this is you can see in the figure. In this figure the three sides are different. Let's say the base one is x unit, and this one is y unit, and this one is z unit. Okay, so these were the six types of a triangle, and these types were based on two aspects or two components of a triangle, which is angle and sides. According to angle, three types, which are acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and right angle triangle. And according to sides, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. So these were a little about triangle. What is triangle, what is angle, what is side, and what are the types of triangle, and what is trigonometry. And inshallah in next lecture we will talk about the upcoming concepts of trigonometry. Thank you.